Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add YouTube Kids to Amazon Fire Tablet. So this will be a step-by-step guide, and first of all guys, let's run ahead to step number 1. So guys, step number 1 says enable the apps from the unknown sources on the Fire Tablet. So by this case, just go to the settings and then choose the Fire OS 7 app drawer. As you can see over here, it's illustrated over here, and then choose the settings. So let's go ahead to step number 2. Step number 2 says choose security and privacy. Okay, so step number 2 says choose security and privacy. So once you choose security and privacy, it will be like this. So you choose that and then go ahead to step number 3. So once you choose security and privacy, on step number 3 it says toggle the apps from unknown sources. By doing this, as you can see, it is illustrated there. You just turn it on and then allow installation from unknown sources. And then step number 4 over here, you have to choose the source from which the installation will be allowed. So guys, over here you can see you can choose from the source you want. After that guys, go ahead and then download and install the Google Play Store on the Fire tablet. By doing so, go ahead and then download the Google Play Store on the Fire tablet, because it's the Google Play Store that you'll get this YouTube for Kids. After doing that guys, you'll be able to install your YouTube Kids on your Amazon Fire tablet. That's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet once again.